In this exercise, we're going to draw a duct on a slope to represent the grease duct system. I have my exercise template open. On the right, we have drawing an isometric view, and on the left, we have it in plan view. The first step would be to go to select a fitting out of your fitting bin. I'm going to click on rectangular duct. Then we would size the duct on the drawing to whatever we'd like. In this particular case, we're going to make it 32 by 16. Now I'm going to select the bottom elevation of the duct. We're going to say that we're drawing this duct from 10 foot in elevation. Now Practicate gives us the ability to rotate on the y-axis. So what we're going to do is you're now going to click on the screen. Notice that it says continue tap rotation. That's always the first commands when you select duct. We're going to click on the screen once. Now we are rotating the ductwork along the z-axis, and it's represented right here in the command line. To rotate around the y-axis, we're going to click F for front, which is X/Y, R/F, F for front, and hit enter. Now we're going to be able to rotate the ductwork on the y-axis. Now instead of actually choosing it by eyeballing it where we want, I'm actually going to use the exact angle we want. And to tip the duct up, we actually do the negative angle. For example, if we want this duct to go on a 10-degree slope in the upwards direction, I'm actually going to type in -10 for -10 degrees. And then I'm going to hit enter. And now this duct is slanted, and you can see in the isometric that it's pointed up and it's sloped. And I'm going to place it down once by clicking. Now I've got the rotation selected. Notice that it's no longer moving. And now Practicate's asking me for the routing method. In this exercise, I'm actually going to type in E and then hit spacebar to route it using exact. And I'm going to type in now 100, let's say 225 foot, 225, and I'm going to hit enter. And that's actually going to route out a grease duct system at a 10-degree slope for 225 inches. We can see that by coming over to the right-hand screen. We're going to switch that to front view. And you can see here we've drawn the duct at the proper slope, starting from the proper height. That concludes the tutorial on drawing grease duct, a sloped duct system.